Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Apple Watch Ultra 2 with earbuds. Let's get started. And firstly, I'm gonna open the list of applications to go in the settings, and here choose Bluetooth. Great. Now let's take the earbuds. In my case, it would be Sony C500, so I'm gonna take them out of the case and then press and hold these controllers simultaneously so it will blink simultaneously blue. Let me show you. Let's just press, wait a couple of seconds, and wait till it will blink at the same time. Great. Now we just need to check whether it appears in the list of the devices. Here it is, so just select it, wait a couple of seconds, and now it is connected because you can see the status connected. And to disconnect them, you just need to tap this info icon and here select disconnect. If you want to forget this device, you can click it again and choose this button to forget this device. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.